VIGI, security you can trust. The MTF test assesses a lens's ability to reproduce image sharpness and detail. The resolution tests and color reproduction tests ensure high-quality images from the camera. The image quality test evaluates a camera's performance under various lighting conditions.
The last switch cannot be turned off.
It's easy to tell the depth of a well.
The detection range test measures the camera's detection range, angle, and trigger speed. The EMC test ensures the camera operates normally in an electromagnetic environment. Automated production testing guarantees top-tier standards for every product. The one-stop image test guarantees sharp, pristine visuals and a smooth day-to-night vision transition. All cameras tested for dust and water resistance have also passed strict airtightness tests. AF calibration improves varifocal cameras' zoom and focus speed with algorithmic adjustments. Dustproof testing ensures a VIGI camera performs reliably in harsh environments. Waterproof testing ensures cameras handle heavy rain and splashes. Our salt spray test verifies a camera's corrosion resistance. The high and low temperature test evaluates the performance of a camera in various environments with heat, cold, dryness, and humidity resistance. The vibration test checks the structural stability of products. The PT rotation life test guarantees long-term use of PT cameras.